Ndubeze, please go to your seat. Wadada. The Senate is sitting. Go to your seat. The Senate is sitting. You're not supposed to be standing there.
Senator Wadada, take your seat.
I was the former chief whip. Thank you, Mr. President. I want to thank you for this opportunity you are giving to me. In thanking you in announcing these two educational institutions from our constituency, I also want to thank first the Deputy Speaker who moved it in the House of Representatives before we confirm it in the upper house. I want to thank the entire Senate for giving us two institutions in our locality, both the University and the Federal College of Education. I want to thank my colleagues here who supported those bills, and thank Mr. President. They are going to shower their votes on him in the next election because giving us two universities simultaneously, one in Imo, one in Abia, and another college of education in Abia. That shows the love the president has for education. I want to thank everybody that contributed in this process of this bill. No one man can make a bill. In National Assembly, I want to thank all the members in the House of Representatives and Senate, and thank Mr. Senate President for what he has done, because in announcing this shows that you support education, and the President of the Republic also supports education. Education is very important in our life. People do not know the need for our people to go to school and learn in school. I want to thank you, Mr. President of Senate, for processing these two items from our state. Thank you very much, and may God bless you.
Again.